Welcome to Boom 50 Fitness. My name's Regan, and today a 10-minute floor workout. Okay, my friends, let's do this floor workout. We're gonna start with push-ups. Hands are half on, half off the mat. If you are doing a full push-up, you are off your knees and your tummy is tight, leading with your chin. We're gonna touch the chin to the floor and come up. Now, if this is too hard for you, just drop to the knees and bring that chin down to the floor. So leading with the chin, not the nose. Core is nice and tight. The elbows are going out for this push-up. We'll be doing a tricep push-up coming up, but for now, we're working mostly the chest with the elbows going out. Let's do 5 more. 4. Just keep trying to come all the way down. 2 and 1. I promise you a tricep push-up, so here we go. We're gonna be on our knees for this one, and our hands are shoulder width apart. Our elbows are gonna stay in, and they're gonna just skim the body as we come down. It looks like this. Again, leading with the chin, just like with the regular push-up, except those elbows stay in. Oh yeah, it's hard, right? Fingertips are spread. That helps to keep your wrists nice and supported. Oh, inhale on the way down. Exhale on the way up. Oh my goodness, these are hard. Now, if you can't come down all the way, that's okay. Come as low as you can with perfect form. 5, 4, 3, come on, keep squeezing those elbows in. You got this. 2, and 1. Moving on. Okay, you ready for some core? This is my favorite core exercise. You know why? Because it is a hard one and it always works. We're gonna lift the head up. We're gonna use our hands to support our head and neck, and we're gonna extend one leg and then twist towards the knee that's pulling in. And then we switch. And then we switch. Yes, this is a bicycle. This is the right way to do a bicycle. Let me show you real quick the wrong way. You know why? That's too easy. We want to get that full range of motion. So the leg that extends down is just coming a few inches from the floor. Now, if you can touch your elbow to the knee, try to get the outside of the knee. And for those of you out there that would like a modification, here you go. It looks like this. Twisting. Yep, so the modification, you just tap your foot down in between. And this is the non-modified bicycle. Give me 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Single leg press-ups. Here we go. Roll all the way onto your back. You're gonna lift one leg up to the sky. You're gonna flex that foot, and all we're gonna do is press off of the leg that's on the ground, and it lifts us up. And then we touch that booty. We lift, touch the booty. So the booty just kisses the floor before you lift back up again. Lift, lift. So the leg that we're working is the one that's on the ground. It's not the one in the air. Now you might be getting a nice little hamstring stretch, but the leg that you're pushing off of, you're gonna work through that hamstring and that booty even more. I'll feel it. Lift, lift. You're gonna get a little inner thigh too, so working the adductors. Just keep pressing. I hope you feel it. Press. Press. So that foot is flexed, like you're trying to squish a bug on the ceiling. 5, 4, 3. Come on, you got it. 2. Hold it up on this one. Hold it there. And little pulses for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down, switch it up, other side, lift that leg up, flex that foot, and press it up and down, up and down. Up. Good job. Press. Press. I love these floor workouts. Sometimes when you plan to do a floor workout, you get in that mindset that it might be a little bit easier, but nope, not easier. Press it. Good. How's that booty doing? Press. Keep flexing that foot of that leg that's extended. Your knee can be soft. Remember, you might be feeling a nice little stretch through that hamstring of the leg that's up, but what we're really working is the booty and the hamstring and the inner thigh of the leg that's down. 10, 8, 7, 6, yeah, we got those pulses coming up. I won't forget, I promise. 4, 3, yes, this is where it counts the most. 2, one more. Hold it up and pulse it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Pull those knees into the chest for a second. Don't look like this. Nope. Bend those elbows, then straighten those arms. Try to keep a soft elbow even when you're at the top. Drop it. Woo! I did these with a client this morning and she's like, wow, those are so much harder than they look. I hope these are hard for you. If you're not feeling it, you can move your legs out farther. Just bring those feet out. But if you're with me, you're feeling it. 10, 9, keep bending. 8, 7, 6, come on. 5, 4, hello triceps. 3, 2, and 1. Bring it down. All right, we got those triceps burning. Let's get that booty burning. So we're gonna come on down and just make a little diamond with those legs, and we're gonna come up and squeeze the booty. Drop it open, up and squeeze, yes. Up and squeeze. Up. Yeah, so again, the booty just kisses the floor on the way down. And then up here at the top, you have to squeeze that butt. So open, squeeze. Open, squeeze. So you're also squeezing those knees together, adding those adductor muscles into the picture. Squeeze it. Lift. Good, huge exhale when you come up. Inhale, come down. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Woo, yeah. Baby, we got this. 5, 4, 3, 2. Now we're gonna hold it at the top and just go out and in with the knees. Out, in, out, squeeze. Come on. Hello, tush. Hello, inner thigh. Oh, one of my cubes just went out. Maybe that's good luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it up, squeeze everything in, and then tap the booty down, lift up. Boom, boom. Come on, you are squeezing those knees together, working the inner thigh and the booty. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Amazing. One more exercise today. We're gonna have the legs in the air and we're gonna go for it with a double crunch. So it looks like this. Feet are flexed, elbows are back. Squeeze everything in and out. Squeeze. Exhale. Your fist should be able to fit between your chin and your chest. Now, a modified version of this, you could have your hands down and just work on the lower part. Or you can just work on the upper part. Once you've mastered the lower and the upper by themselves, then you can move on to that double crunch. So do what works for you. This channel is all about fitness in your 50s. I thank you so much for joining me today. Let's just do 10 more and then you're done. 8, 7, come on, keep crunching. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Just pull the knees into the chest. You did good. Take the arms out to the side, drop the knees to one side, and then look the opposite way. And then switch. Yeah, you did it. You stuck it out. I hope I didn't go over 10 minutes. My timer wasn't working this morning, so I just was winging it on the time, so I hope I got it right. If anything, I went over a little bit. I doubt I went under. And then what we're gonna do is come to all fours. Inhale, roll the back up. Exhale, release. Roll it up. Release. One more. Roll it up. Release. Take those knees out and then just sit back on those heels. Relax your head and neck. If you've got the time, take it for yourself. Do a few more stretches, and I'll see you next time right here, Boom 50 Fitness. Did you like that floor workout? Let me know in the comments below, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button.